Data centers are critical infrastructure. Any vulnerability exposure demands large-scale switch upgrades, fleet upgrade, extensive testing, reboots, and multiple maintenance windows, resulting in significant downtime and high MTTR. Introducing Cisco Live Protect, managed through Nexus Dashboard or from NX API for CI/CD automation. A single unified platform to mitigate vulnerabilities across your entire data center infrastructure. In this example, the Shop Global AI admin receives a critical vulnerability alert. On the Nexus dashboard, they notice that a fabric in the North America region is affected by several critical vulnerabilities. Let's take a closer look at the impacted fabric. Here is the topological view of the Texas Shop Global AI fabric, showing 8 devices affected by 3 vulnerabilities, 2 spines, and 6 leafs. Nexus Dashboard has already downloaded the compensating control and is ready to apply the shields to each impacted device. With a single click, Live Protect deploys shields across all devices, instantly mitigating the vulnerability exposure. Rising hit counters confirm an active attack vector, which the shield is successfully blocking in real time. The result? Live Protect gives us low MTTR with no downtime, no reboots, and no disruptions. Live Protect on Cisco Nexus series switches is available now. Start protecting your infrastructure today without disruptions. Learn more at cisco.com.